Hello and welcome back to the channel. This is Jay. I just have a project that I want to share with you. I'm participating in Memory Lane's Keepsakes doll play with MLK 2022. And I decided to get out my Julie Nutting dolls because I miss making things with them, and I love making things with my Julie Nutting dolls. This project is made with Jayla, and this is what I made. I made this card for a friend. I want to thank her for all of the things that, get down here so you can see it close. I want to just thank her for all the things that she usually does for me, and how, she always checks in on me and everything like that. So I just wanted to let her know how thankful I was, and also to use this project to be involved with the Memory Lane Keepsakes doll play. So I made the doll. I used Jayla. I gave her a shiny jacket, a nice feathered skirt. This skirt is so soft, and I like all the patterns that were in the sweater. And I put her on the card, a black background, a nice little black and white stripe thing here going down to give the card a little bit of a dimension and everything besides the skirt. Tell me what you think about that. I think I'm just going to get all my dolls out, try to do something with them, and enjoy my time doing the doll play with MLK and make a practical something that I can use and send to somebody. So tell me what you think about the card. Thank you, Tanya, for doing doll play again. It gives me a chance to take my Julie Nuttings out. So I thank you for that, and I'll talk to you all soon in the next video. If you like this card, please give me a thumbs up. If you not a subscriber here to my channel, please press that button and subscribe. I'll be doing lots of things, and I'm hoping you'll enjoy my content. So I'll talk to you soon. Be the reason somebody smile, and have a really good week. Bye now.